how to do a front loop double crochet. So see here in your work where you have in the top of your work, your stitches here, you have two sort of bumps. You have a front bump and a back bump. So if I turn my work here where I'm going to be working, this will be the front loops, and this is considered the back loops. So if a project calls for front loop double crochet, what you do with that is you will only be working in the front loops. So do basically set this up like you're doing a normal double crochet. So you yarn over and then stick your hook only into the front loop. So usually you go into both of these like this, but you don't want to do that. You just want to go into the front one, and then you pull your yarn through and you do your double crochet just as normal now. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So let's do that again. Just yarn over and go into the front loop of your project. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's all it is just going through the front and missing the back of that. So you're only getting basically half of the stitch onto your hook. And that will, when you turn your work, you'll have a line here going all the way across. So that is front loop double crochet.